Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys could tell, we have the V6 Arrma Notorious. This is going to be the first run ever, and if you guys have already noticed, we already printed out some roof skids. These are now available on my eBay. I'll put my eBay link down below if you guys are interested in these. The updated firmware, the ESC 16 tooth pinion, standing back was all day, and I also printed myself a wing mount 3D printed, but this basically just fits the stock wheelie bar on it. Just the whole wing mount is a whole different type of material. It's way more flexible. And we also are going to be trying out these brand new Method RC wheels. So we are going to be throwing these on right here in today's video. We are going to be trying out on grass, and hopefully, and then these are belted, so can't wait to try these out. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested. So we got some brand new ones here. Big shout out to Method RC. All right, I'm gonna put you guys on my head. Just one jump for you. Ooh, suspension feels good. So much different compared to the crane. Whoa! Ooh. Oh my god, and it for sure needs more brakes. But throttle is there for sure. Can we do a double? Whoa! If you guys wanna look at that, dude, if you guys want a super fun truck, this is the car. Ooh, this thing is crazy. It's a whole animal, dude. Wow. This is a whole different animal. Hold up. I wanna brake. What the hell? I just need to get that front bumper support, guys. I definitely need to get used to the driving with this one, dude. The crane, you could just give it full throttle. This one, oh, uh-oh, that's where my bumper comes in handy. Put the battery unplugged. That was a hard nose dive, but check out for nose support. Took it like a champ, taking all the abuse. Remember guys, link down below. All right. Yeah, basically like that. Basically that's a laid back flip, but I do want to do it higher so I can have some time. So but if I go a bit faster, ooh, the brakes and throttle is super touchy on this thing. Going full throttle, I don't know what's gonna happen. Whoa, that was a huge jump. Oh, and God. Uh-oh. Oh, that was a quick save. Yeah. I did already order up some M2C goodies, so I'm not gonna tell you what I ordered yet, but I did order some stuff for this. just some things that it would probably need, but this is bone stock. Oh, dance, Notorious, dance. Well, that was a weird jump, but this thing just wants to dance all day. Look at that. What? This thing is just crazy, dude. This is probably one of the best RC cars I have. Just backflips, front flips all day. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Did it even break? Oh, we broke it, no. For sure we are gonna have to end this bash pretty early, but this thing's the absolute beast. If you guys are planning to get one, highly recommend it, but don't forget to get some skids, that front bumper support and that wing mount, guys. This wing mount is gonna be available right after this video is uploaded, but surprisingly no arms or nothing broke. It's pretty cold today too, so that is just crazy. Hold on, let's check out the inside. Really love this clipless system too. Check this thing out. Yeah, everything seems perfect, but this thing's the absolute beast, dude. Really love it. Arrma really killed it on this platform. So if you guys liked it, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.